A clinical medical assistant or CMA is a very important healthcare professional. CMAs help doctors and nurses in many ways. They work directly with patients in clinics and hospitals. Their main tasks are clinical, helping with patient care. They can also help with some office duties if needed. CMAs are a vital part of the healthcare team. They ensure that medical facilities operate smoothly every day. They are often the first friendly face a patient sees. This makes their role welcoming and supportive. In Nigeria, clinical medical assistants are becoming increasingly important. Our healthcare system needs many skilled hands to function well. CMAs help to fill a crucial gap in patient care services. They provide essential support to busy doctors and nurses. This support allows doctors to focus on diagnosing and treating more patients. It also allows nurses to concentrate on more complex nursing care. By improving efficiency, CMAs help the whole system. They contribute significantly to better health outcomes for everyone in the community. Their presence means better access to care for many Nigerians. What does a clinical medical assistant do on a typical day? Their responsibilities are quite varied and keep them engaged. They often start by taking detailed patient histories. They measure vital signs such as blood pressure, temperature, and pulse rate. They prepare patients for medical examinations and explain procedures. Sometimes they assist doctors with minor surgical procedures in the clinic. They might collect blood or urine samples for laboratory tests. Updating and maintaining accurate patient records is also a key task. They ensure examination rooms are clean, stocked, and ready for the next patient. Their work is very hands-on and directly involves patient interaction. Choosing a career as a clinical medical assistant is a truly rewarding decision. It offers a wonderful entry point into the broad field of healthcare. You gain direct experience in caring for patients from the very beginning. You learn many valuable clinical and administrative skills that are in high demand. It is a career path where you genuinely help people every single day. You can make a significant and positive difference in their lives. The work is often very satisfying and brings a sense of purpose. It provides a strong and practical foundation for future career growth in healthcare. What exactly is clinical medical assistant certification? Certification is an official recognition of your skills and knowledge. It means you have met a certain professional standard. It proves that you are competent to perform the duties of a CMA. This certification sets a benchmark for quality in the profession. It clearly tells potential employers that you are qualified and well-trained. Importantly, it also reassures patients. Patients feel more confident knowing they are being cared for by a certified professional. Certification is truly a mark of your dedication and professionalism in healthcare. So, how can you become a certified CMA in Nigeria? The first important step is to find an accredited training program. These specialized programs are designed to teach you everything you need to know. They usually offer a mix of classroom instruction for theory. They also provide essential hands-on practical experience in a clinical setting. It is very important to research these programs carefully. Ensure that the program you choose meets national standards and is well regarded. This initial step is crucial for a successful career. Do not hesitate to ask questions before you decide to enroll. What are the typical requirements to get your CMA certification? Generally, you will need to have completed your secondary school education. After that, you must successfully complete a recognized CMA training program. This program will cover both theoretical medical knowledge and practical clinical skills. You will learn how to perform many different clinical tasks safely and effectively. Once you finish your training, you must pass a certification examination. This exam will thoroughly test your understanding of medical concepts. It will also assess your practical abilities to care for patients. Passing this exam shows you are ready for the job. Getting certified as a clinical medical assistant is a very smart career move. It significantly boosts your personal confidence in your abilities. It makes you a much more attractive candidate to employers. Certified CMAs often have better job prospects and may earn higher salaries. Certification can open many doors to diverse employment opportunities. It can also serve as a stepping stone for further education in healthcare. It clearly demonstrates your commitment to providing high-quality patient care. We encourage you to start your journey towards certification as soon as possible. It's an investment in your future. Certification programs equip you with a wide range of essential clinical skills. You will learn the proper techniques for taking and recording vital signs. This includes accurately measuring a patient's temperature, pulse, and respiration rate. You'll be trained in phlebotomy, which is the skill of drawing blood samples. You'll become proficient in assisting doctors during various patient examinations and treatments. You might also learn how to assist with minor surgical procedures performed in clinics. Administering injections safely and correctly is another key skill you will acquire. These practical skills are fundamental and will be used every day in your work. Beyond clinical skills, you will gain a solid foundation of important medical knowledge. Your studies will include basic anatomy, teaching you about the structure of the human body. You will also learn physiology, which explains how the human body functions. Medical terminology will become a part of your everyday language. You will understand the meaning of common medical words and abbreviations. You will also be introduced to basic pharmacology, learning about common medications. This comprehensive knowledge is crucial for understanding patient conditions and care plans. It makes you a more effective and knowledgeable member of the healthcare team. Excellent communication is an absolutely vital skill for any clinical medical assistant. Good certification training programs place strong emphasis on developing these skills. You will learn how to talk to patients clearly, kindly, and respectfully. You will also learn the importance of active listening with empathy and understanding. Patients who come to a clinic or hospital are often feeling worried or unwell. Your compassionate communication can provide great comfort and reassurance to them. You will also be trained to maintain a high level of professionalism at all times. This includes being reliable, responsible, and working well with other healthcare staff. Certification programs also thoroughly cover safety and ethical considerations in healthcare. You will learn about medical ethics, which guides you in always doing what is right for patients. A major focus will be on infection control procedures. These practices are essential to keep both patients and healthcare staff safe from illnesses. You will learn the correct way to handle medical instruments and equipment. Proper disposal of medical waste will also be taught to prevent harm. Protecting patient privacy and confidentiality is another very important aspect you will master. These principles are fundamental for providing safe and trustworthy healthcare. Holding a clinical medical assistant certification significantly boosts your career prospects. Employers across Nigeria actively seek and prefer to hire certified CMAs. Your certification serves as clear proof that you are serious about your profession. It demonstrates that you have met recognized national or international standards of competence. This gives you a distinct advantage when you are applying for jobs. You are much more likely to be selected for an interview and get hired. You may also find that certification leads to better salary offers and benefits. It is a valuable investment in your professional future and helps you stand out. Where can a certified clinical medical assistant find employment in Nigeria? There are many healthcare settings that require your valuable skills. Hospitals, both public and private, are common employers of CMAs. Community clinics and primary healthcare centers also hire many CMAs. Doctors who have specialized practices such as pediatricians or cardiologists often need CMAs. You could find work in a private medical clinic or a diagnostic laboratory. Some non-governmental organizations, NGOs, focused on health programs also employ CMAs. The demand for qualified and certified CMAs is steadily growing across the country. You can find opportunities in both urban and rural areas. Certified clinical medical assistants play a direct role in improving the quality of patient care. Your acquired skills and knowledge mean there is a lower chance of errors in clinical tasks. You can assist doctors and nurses more efficiently and effectively. This often means that patients experience shorter waiting times in clinics. You are better equipped to explain medical information or procedures to patients. This helps them to understand their health conditions and treatments more clearly. Your compassionate and professional approach can make patients feel more comfortable and respected. Delivering good patient care is the ultimate goal of all healthcare professionals. So, we strongly encourage you to consider becoming a certified clinical medical assistant. It is a clear pathway to a fulfilling and rewarding career in healthcare. Through certification, you will gain essential skills and a wealth of knowledge. You will have the opportunity to help many people in your community in Nigeria. You will contribute directly to improving patient care standards across the nation. Take that important first step today. Start researching accredited training programs that can set you on this path. Your future in the healthcare sector can begin right now. It is a career choice that you will undoubtedly be very proud of making.